How to turn on Apple Intelligence on iPhone. So I have a 17 Pro Max here, but you can access your Apple Intelligence as far back as I believe if you have a 15 or 15 Pro. So what you want to do is go to your settings, and you simply just want to scroll down until you see where it says Apple Intelligence and Siri. And you simply just want to go, and if this is your first time, go ahead and turn on Apple Intelligence. And we are going to choose Set Up Apple Intelligence. And you can choose to do your notifications. I'm just going to say not now. And I'm going to say not now just for right this second here. And what you can do is hit continue, go through the prompts, set up Siri, and now your Apple Intelligence is turned on. Once you have your Siri here, we can go ahead and turn that on so we can go talk to Siri as well. And then that way you can use Apple Intelligence to open different apps and things like that. So from this point, you can go ahead and check your settings and then go back into your Apple Intelligence. And now you see that mine is toggled on. You can also just toggle this off if it's something that you just want to turn off. It's no big deal. And then just go back and turn it on when you're ready to use it. And that's it.